Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Tamesh here. This is going to be a quick video about how to use custom fonts on React Native. And the reason I'm doing this is because I just realized that I was doing it wrong. So as I'm pretty sure some of you also do, I usually just Google custom fonts React Native, and the first results gets you to this actually pretty nice article, if it loads, about how to use custom fonts. But the fact is, this article was written in 2017, and it actually shows you to use package.json and RMPM, which if you do, it's gonna throw you a deprecation warning. So it actually tells you that the support for RMPM will end soon and it's deprecated and you should not use it. So instead of doing that, what you should do is the following. So 3 easy steps. I have this project here, so it's a vanilla straight create React Native project. I modified the boilerplate code, so it just has a text with a style, font size 31, pretty basic stuff. Okay, what you need to do is, first of all, let's create a assets folder, and inside the assets folder, create a fonts folder. Okay, so assets, fonts. I'm gonna copy my fonts, which will be Ubuntu Bold TTF inside this fonts. Okay, so far it's exactly the same as the article says. The difference is that you need to create a new file called reactnative.config.js, and inside that you do module exports equal, sorry, it's a curly brace, and inside there assets /assets fonts. Okay. And then you just do a React Native link, and you will see linking assets to iOS project. Then there is a warning that resources doesn't exist yet, so it creates it automatically for you. Then it's linking the Android project. What happens in reality is in Android it will add main assets fonts, your font, into this folder, and on iOS it will modify info.plist and add a UI app fonts key, which is an array, and all of your fonts will be there. Okay, so from here it's pretty much the same as it was before. So you can do font family and do Ubuntu Bold. Okay, and yeah, unrecognized font because you have to kind of rebuild it. I mean, I know this video is not exactly rocket science, but I think it's important to point this issue out. Yeah, so here you go. One thing I want to note is in this case I can use the same string for both Android and iOS because the internal meta tag of this font is actually the same as the file name, but in some cases it would be different. So in those cases you either rename your file to match its meta tag. You can get it from the font book up, or you can do platform specific code like platform, and you do platform.os equals iOS, and as you can do something.ttf, right? I mean, it's gonna continue working here because I'm on iOS, and this is the same file name. Anyway, so this was a quick video for today. I promise next week I'm gonna do like the usual content. We're gonna actually continue our slot machine up. I finally got the design. It looks amazing. I already shot the video. I just have to edit it because it's way too long. But yeah, this is it for today. If you like the content, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. But yeah, that's it. Have a good one.